Hey everybody, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Today we are going to make a wintry beef stew on the Dutch oven on a campfire. And as you can see, it's snowing, so it's perfect for a nice winter stew. So let's get at it. But first, as always, gotta make a fire. So I brought some wood just to make it easier to get a fire going, because in the winter you're always racing sunset because it sets so early. Right now it's 2:30, sunset's at 4:30, so I got 2 hours to get this fire and stew going. So I got wood to get it going, but I gotta go around and find dead stuff to keep it going, to get good coals. So I'm gonna do right now. Got a new toy. It's I'm not sure if I'll pronounce it right. It's the Agawa saws. You see them a lot on many YouTube channels. They look very handy, so I got one. Still getting used to how to do it properly. Only practiced it once. There you go, and I got the really small one. So we'll see what it's like. I think it'll be good for like medium-sized stuff. But anything bigger than that, it'll be a lot of for a big tree. So it's perfect for this kind of stuff. I know many cast iron people might shame me for this, but what can you do? You may recognize this spot from the last video I did camping. Yeah, I'm just at my buddy's farm again. It's such a convenient spot to get out and play. Yeah, to play with fire and saws and axes. Just looking for dead stuff. This is what I guess a sharp saw feels like. That should be enough, at least to get it going. There you go, I got a log from last time. Now I just get to hang out and wait for the coals. This is honestly one of the nicest parts about outdoor cooking. There's a lot of waiting involved, especially with the Dutch oven. So I just get to sit back and enjoy the weather. It's not that cold right now. It's going down to like, I think it's minus 25 tonight, but Celsius. But right now it's beautiful. It's snowing. It's overcast, so that means it's warmer. When the sky's blue, it means it's cold out. The fire's hot. So I'm putting the logs and sticks that I cut on beside the fire so it dries. Because right now it's wet. That's why I bring wood on these kind of things, because I can just get a fire going really easy and let the stuff dry out a bit before I put it on. It's funny, the last time I was here, it was just snowing like way more than this. And my old saw was so dull, my old axe is so dull. Now I got spoiled at Christmas this year, and now I have a really good saw and a really good axe, and it's just the difference just using it right now, very quickly. Wow. You get what you pay for in things. I used to be a photojournalist back in the day, and especially with camera stuff, you get what you pay for. You really do. Obviously, you have to know what you're doing, how to take a photo and all that, but it really helps when you have good glass, like good lens, and a good camera. It really does help. But it's beautiful out here. Just relaxing. Everything's getting snowy. And as always, as you wait, you gotta make a tea. Or coffee, whatever you prefer. All right, so I think I'm gonna start cooking. It looks like we got some coals, so I'm just gonna go for it. So you gotta let your Dutch oven heat up. I'm just learning on the fly here. Tea. I'll keep it close to the fire so it stays warm. Damn. Cheers. It's probably too hot to drink, so I'll just cheers. Probably a lot of oil. And then just got some stew beef. So I've just added small potatoes and carrots. I'll let them cook. I'm going to put the lid on. The beef is pretty much cooked. There's still some pink, but it'll continue cooking. I'm probably going to have to move the Dutch oven onto the fire more, because only one side is really getting it. So I gotta get more small sticks because the fire, because it's snowy, it's starting to get more wet again. So I think I didn't wait long enough for the fire to be super, super hot, or my fire management skills is just not good. Probably both. More so the fire management skills. So I gotta get more sticks. No. It's working. Need more sticks. So, when you try this, if you try this on a Dutch oven outside, make sure you have a big pile of sticks before you start. I was too excited and I started too early. So now I'm supposed to be relaxing on the chair, but now I'm just scrambling to keep wood up for the fire, to keep it cooking. There we go, got some more here. thing you add in this is, we're doing onions. Pepper is on the onions, and then the small potatoes came with like a seasoning pouch. I think it's like rosemary and garlic, so I just threw that in as well. I don't know, a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna add beef broth. So this, it's looking pretty good. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Now I'm just gonna add the broth. And then I'm just gonna let it boil for a while, and then it'll be done. I believe it's done now, so I just gotta add, you add some flour at the end, and it thickens it up, and it makes it a more creamy, thick kind of stew, instead of a watery one. I don't know, you just gotta guess the flour. That's it. I don't know, 2 tablespoons. All right, let's give this a try. This is what it looks like. There's pieces of wood in it, but that's fine. It adds to the flavor. It looks great. It smells really good. Let's see. And it's really good. It's a very simple recipe. Literally just Googled it. First thing came up, and that's what I just did. It's really good. And this is great, like, it's winter out, nice warm stew out in the snow. This is really yummy. And then Amy has made fresh sourdough bread at home, and then we're gonna have this for dinner tonight. That was really good. And as we go into the new year, I just want to thank those of you who have subscribed, and those of you who just watch. It means a lot, it helps a lot. The goal of this channel is just to get out, have fun, get outside, learn new things. I feel like every video I'm learning something new. And it's been really fun, and I look forward to doing many more videos. So if you are watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 and beyond. We'll just see what happens. But hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, we'll get into the next video. Lots of camping videos coming up. We, a couple months ago, we actually bought a house, and next week we take possession of it. So this is gonna be a crazy month. December was a crazy month. I feel like we were sick the entire month. So pretty much at the end of January, we're gonna do some camping, and we'll go from there. But there definitely won't be a video next week. I don't think. We'll see. Maybe. We are moving, so it's gonna be crazy. We'll see. Let me know your plans for. I'm just burnt my mouth. For 2026, so I'd love to hear them. Whether it's to get outside or do things inside, I'd love to hear about it. So I'm just gonna eat this. Relax for like a little bit, because I gotta get home. Gotta see Amy and John. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.